Steven.
Dan.
Kaylee.
Jennifer.
Allie.
Kristen.
In 1818, Mary Shelley, in her introduction in her horror novel Frankenstein, wrote, "Frightful must it be, for supremely frightful would be the effect of any human endeavor to mock the stupendous mechanisms of the creator of the world." When Mary Shelley wrote her novel, cloning was not even a whisper among the scientific community, but already she could envision a world in which science had gone too far. In the debate over cloning, Mary Shelley's fear may just be a reality. The question of cloning is no longer how, but is it ethical? Richard Shepard reminds us, today the cloning of human genetic material can no longer be seen as the domain of science fiction. According to the Journal of Social Science and Medicine, cloning is the technique of creating an identical copy of an organism from its genetic material using the technique of cell nuclear replacement. Cloning has a rich history of triumphs, failures, and fakes. Dolly the sheep was successfully cloned 16 years ago in Scotland, and in 2005, Wu Sup Wang faked his report of successfully cloning a human embryo. There are two kinds of cloning: reproductive and therapeutic. Therapeutic is the type of cloning that is mostly debated. Shepard tells us that therapeutic cloning harvests special cells called stem cells, which at the early embryonic stage of development have a unique ability to divide and differentiate into a range of body tissues. This holds a world of potential benefits for the world of medicine. Martin Pera and Alan Trounson tell us in their article, "Stem Cell Researchers Must Stay Engaged," that prospects for transformative treatments for conditions such as macular degeneration, type 1 diabetes, and Parkinson's disease are now on the horizon. In his article, a retrospective of the stem cell debate, Michael Cook concedes with the benefits of therapeutic cloning, saying on the one hand, stem cell scientists insist that therapeutic cloning will lead to cures for Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and diabetes, and that though this might be the case, and enough for some, others will take issue with it. And he goes on to say, on the other hand, dissenters contended that embryos were human beings and that it was moral madness to treat human life as a research tool. Those that disagree with therapeutic cloning take issue when scientists are allowed to play God with human embryos. Cloning is not only a domestic issue, but it's also worldwide. Laws and regulations are now in place for cloning. Only months ago in Taiwan, the Intellectual Property Office passed Article 24 in patent law, which provides clear guidance for determining whether a biotech invention related to biological cloning technology and human embryonic stem cells should be deemed detrimental to public order, morality, or health. Imagine a world in which cloning is practiced regularly. Imagine it clearly, because this may be a reality sooner than we think. What will this brave new world look like? Whenever Dolly was successfully cloned, and the debate of cloning was propelled from a dream to reality, the ethical debate over cloning was heated and divided, and this fight is far from over. I didn't do it, did I?